Most brands don't struggle making just one UGC ad. They struggle making 50. Creator outreach DMs, late revisions, different creator clips, ad dashboards, ads for different platforms, product shots, failed hooks. Can you send another take? Can you make this one just a little bit shorter? Can you change the first 3 seconds on this one? Because modern e-commerce ads aren't just about making one good video anymore. It's about testing hooks, formats, creators, styles, languages, offers, and audiences. And doing that all with real creators every single time gets expensive and time-consuming fast. But now AI workflows inside of HeyGen are changing that. Because instead of filming every variation manually, you can create UGC-style ads way faster using AI avatars, AI voices, product placements, and scalable workflows. So strap in for episode 3 of the AI Faceless Influencer Series, because we're breaking down how different creators, brands, and businesses are using an AI workflow to create content faster and more consistently. And before we start, if you end up liking this video, subscribing would mean so much to us. It helps out the channel more than you probably know.
What kind of problem are you having?
UGC style ads work because they feel native. Basically, what that means is that it doesn't feel like a commercial, but just normal content. That's why TikTok ads, creator testimonials, product demos, and casual talking head videos perform so well because they don't feel overproduced. But scaling that process is where things can get messy, because normally the workflow would look something like this. You have to find creators and then send them the products. Then you have to wait for the delivery and actually review the footage that they send you. Then you have to ask for revisions, then wait again just to get one usable version. And then the second you want something else, like another language or another hook, maybe another format or style, everything slows down even more. And for e-commerce brands, that is a huge bottleneck. Not the product and not even the ad idea. The bottleneck is producing enough creative content fast enough to test. And this is where the mindset around UGC style content is changing. Because the goal is no longer just make one ad. The goal is to build a system that can generate multiple different ad variations quickly. And that's where AI workflows start becoming super useful. Not because they replace creators, because trust me, they don't. Because they help brands test, iterate, and scale faster. And now instead of rebuilding every single ad manually, you can create repeatable systems around the product itself.
Whoa, that's so cool, bro!
Alright, so most UGC style ads usually fail or succeed within just the first few seconds. Not because the product is bad, but because the hook didn't stop the scroll. The hook is what earns the attention, and the product explanation comes after. And this is where a lot of brands waste their time. They'll spend hours filming an entire ad when they should be spending their time testing the intros first. Alright guys, TikTok made me buy this. I genuinely did not expect this to work. Why is nobody talking about this? This completely replaced my old setup. This thing is absolutely crazy. One product with 5 completely different intros can have a totally different feel and also perform very different too. And with an AI workflow, you can test all of these different variations much quicker without having to refilm the entire thing. And now obviously traditional creators are still super valuable. Real creator relationships still matter a ton, especially for trust and community. But there's also situations where brands need more variations, quicker turnaround, different languages, or even just scalable ad volume. And this is right where AI avatars fit into that workflow. In HeyGen, you can create presenter style videos that feel native to whatever platform you're posting on, whether it's long or short form. You can choose different outfits, different framing, different creator styles, and energy. Because now you're not just relying on one filming session, but now rather you can quickly generate multiple different variations of the same intro or entire video, all based around the same product and script. And this is especially useful for product explainers, testimonial style ads, problem and solution ads, hook testing, and just quick creative iterations. One of the biggest things that actually makes a UGC style ad feel real is the product actually feeling connected to the creator, not just pasted on the screen. And this is where HeyGen's product placement tool workflow comes in super handy. In HeyGen, you can place products directly into scenes, so the ad feels way more integrated and less like a slideshow with a narration over it. But now if you want to actually pull this off, let me show you step by step how to actually do it. So inside HeyGen, you're going to want to head over to the apps tab, then open up the product placement tool, and here you can upload your product image and who you want showing it off. And now once you choose your product and your avatar, it'll give you a few different combined image options. This is just to choose your overall style and what looks the most realistic to you. And now after that, you just select which one you want to choose and click next. And then here you can upload your script and if you want your custom motion prompt. And that really helps just direct the overall vibe that you want your video to have. And then after that, you're done.
I seriously had to wait almost 2 hours just to get this.
And visually, this matters so much because e-commerce ads move fast. The viewer should instantly understand what the product is, what the problem solves, and why they should even care. So instead of just talking about the product, show these: the product, the use case, the transformation, the reaction, the before and after, and the result. Because every visual in your video should help sell the story faster. And now this right here is probably the biggest shift. Most brands aren't just looking for one perfect ad anymore. They're looking for multiple versions for testing. Because sometimes the smallest change can completely change your performance. One line, one intro, one caption, and one pacing change. That can completely change the ad and the performance it gives. seconds. And with an AI workflow, you can iterate the video way faster without having to start from scratch. That means faster testing, feedback, and optimization. And now this right here is another huge advantage. Normally making ads in different languages is expensive. You need new creators, new voiceovers, new filming, and new edits. And a lot of the times you don't really know what they're saying. But with AI voice and avatar workflows, brands can adapt content for different audiences much faster and much cheaper. Brands can adapt content for different audiences, públicos más rápido y barato, adapter leur contenu à différents publics. And for e-commerce, this is a crazy advantage because now one ad campaign can scale across different regions, different markets, and different audiences without rebuilding everything from zero. And now instead of just filming in English and cutting out a huge population of possible buyers, you can film in multiple languages and target that ad for that country.
This is good stuff, man.
Now the biggest advantage is actually making the next 10 videos after the first one easier. Because once you know the entire workflow, you could stop starting from zero every time. Now once you have a repeatable creative system, one product can become multiple hooks, multiple ads, multiple creators, formats, and languages. And that's what modern ad workflows are moving towards. Not just bigger productions, but faster iterations. But now let me show you the difference. Here's the before. We have a slow creator outreach, very expensive iterations, limited ad variations, really slow testing, manual reshoots, and just creative bottlenecks. But now after, we have way faster workflows. The amount of ad variations you can make now is unbelievable. You have much quicker testing. You have repeatable creative systems. You can choose from a number of different avatars. Now you can make multi-language campaigns, and just the overall iteration process is much quicker. It's the same product, but a completely different workflow that's way more efficient.
Come on, let's wrap this up.
UGC is not just about building one ad. It's about building a system that can generate, test, and improve creative. And an AI workflow removes a ton of the friction that would normally slow your process down. And let me preface this, the goal is not to replace creators. I mean, I'm a creator. The goal is to make content production more scalable, flexible, and easier to iterate. And honestly, combining real UGC creators with an AI workflow is probably one of the strongest setups brands and users can have nowadays. Because you still get the authenticity and personality of real creators, while the AI helps test scaling, variation, and the production side around it. So if you're running an e-commerce brand, testing products, or trying to scale and add creative faster, this is definitely a workflow that you should pay attention to. And if you guys want more HeyGen tutorials and AI workflows just like this one, drop a sub and check out our channel, and we'll help you get way better results with your AI.